Welcome to a special update on Bitcoin. So I've seen after me posting my last intervention, I've seen that Bitcoin was dumping, was moving quite drastically. So I'm going to make a special update video on Bitcoin. Let's straight go into screen share. So you won't see me, I guess you won't see me anymore, but you'll see the screen. I'm going to try it like this. Oh, now you see me. You see me and you see the screen. Okay, I get it. I get what's the difference between both of them. I'm not sure that this one is better, but anyways. So after we were talking about what I was talking about last video, the levels I pointed out did break. So now to take a short look at it, I think we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we topped here. And now we're getting wave 2. And that dump you saw was wave 2. So I still think that was impulsive. But the top of wave 5 came sooner than what I've expected. So what we have just seen is the equivalent of this wave 1 and then wave 2. So this is equivalent to wave 1, and we now in the process of ending wave 2. That's my daily chart. I'm going to take a look now at before the daily chart. So if we look at the monthly chart, I still think that we had wave 1 here, wave 2, and that we're in the process of making wave 3. So wave 3 should get us higher than 20K. And that would be in accordance to what we could expect from the stock to flow model, which even goes to 40K after the halving. So I'm not too, I would not be too alarmed of what we saw right now, because I simply think it's wave 2. And I've put wave 5 much higher. So I was expecting us to have more waves until we top with wave 5, but we topped here. So there's nothing I can do about that, but I know now that that was the top. Somehow I expected more, but that won't be coming straight away. So if I go down, now we are looking at the 4-hour chart. And if I go down to the 30-minute chart, you see what just happened. So before that, I thought we had that the correction stopped at Y here, but then we get an impulse. Instead of getting an impulse, it was just wave X, and so I've added a wave Z down here. That's all I can add if that's the correction we are having, but it could be more complex than that. And actually that would be not surprising, because that since this is wave 5, this correction should take more time. So I'm not saying that that was the end of it. It could be if that count turns out to be right, but I'm not 100% sure about that. What I can tell you is that we have tapped here, and that was the top of wave 5, and we won't go any higher. So since that was wave 3, I thought that we had still some room to the upside. And also I've seen 5 waves here, then a correction, and 5 wave, and that would be 1, 2, 3, but that's not the case since we went much lower. So all this, even if it's not 100% according to Elliot's, wave, since that would be only 1, 2, and this, well, 1, 2, and this would be 3. And that's why I thought we had more room to the upside, but we did not, because we went here much lower, and that's not possible if this is not the top of wave 5. So I must put the wave here, and I can look at the details and why I'm missing one wave here. I can look at it, but it does not really, well, it matters, but I mean, short, I'll look into it and maybe come up with a better count. But anyways, I'm sure that now that we are correcting, and we are correcting that wave. We are correcting the 5 waves up. So from here, we did get 5 waves up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we have top on wave 5. So now you have to look for a correction. And what can I expect of the correction? So we're going to take a feed time look, and if I put the top of wave 5 here, then you could easily wait for the end of the correction to occur only here at a 1.38 or even 1.5. So actually, I would be surprised if that was the end. I think that's wave A, and we get a wave B. Wave B would be up, then wave C down, and wave C could bring us here. So if we, reasonable would be, because that could be the end of it, but I'm not expecting it, since we topped from wave 5 here. So let's say this is wave A. Then I expect a wave B, the corrective wave, and we could be in the process of doing that right now. And then I expect the wave C going low again. And I would expect this correction to end here, to end on the, why don't I get the date of it? Well, I don't know why TradingView is not showing me the date, but since here's the 20, something around 21 or 22 of May, I would expect the correction to stop. And from that on to go higher. But I'm expecting a correction right now, and the correction should be in wave A, B, C at least. And that should only end in around 10 days, because you must know, you must take a look at what we are correcting. So we are correcting all that, and correcting all that up move takes some time. So this is too short, in my opinion, for the correction. So I would not be surprised if we have a longer correction. From regarding price, it is not sure that we go lower, because that was wave 4, and we don't have to go lower from here on. If I take a FIB and start here and go up there, so that's approximately this gives you an approximate indication. So we already retraced the 0.5. Wave C could end at the 618 level, which would be the golden ratio, and it would be somewhere around here, just as I pointed out. So anyways, maybe we go a little lower, but I'm not expecting us to go much lower than that. So I think that that could be enough. How much can we retrace of the move? Well, you can retrace it up to 99%. So you could be at 5,856. I'm not expecting us to go that low, but it would be possible, and it would still be then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You cannot go below 5,856. You cannot go below that level. So that was my special update. And as I told you, I'm expecting us to be in a wave 2 now. Let's put it like this. That will do. And we should be getting a wave B, a corrective wave, and then a wave C down. That's what I'm expecting right now. I'll do an update when I get more price and if I change my outlook. But that's what I'm seeing right now. Okay, that was all. See you in my next intervention. Bye-bye.